Welcome to DoDAF 2 Training Hands-on Project-Based DoDAF Training, powered by Tonex.com. DoDAF 2 Training, DoD Architecture Framework version 2.0, Advanced Course and Workshop focuses on creating and building DoDAF 2.0 viewpoints based on a selected project. DoDAF 2.0 training also focuses on teaching the students how to create and model architecture data. Why DoDAF 2 training with Tonex? Tonex Advanced DoDAF 2.0 training will help the students to create their own viewpoints based on a common denominator across their domain and boundaries. This is a 100% hands-on and project-based DoDAF 2.0 training workshop. After extensively covering architecture development with DoDAF, the DoDAF training will focus on DoDAF 2.0 viewpoints and models. After briefly introducing the attendees to each model, the students will master how to create viewpoints and views using a real project, scenario-based, through various roles such as operators, PM and EA. DoDAF 2.0 Viewpoints. All Viewpoint, Avenue. Capability Viewpoint, CV. Project Viewpoint, PV. Operation Viewpoint, OFF. Systems Viewpoint, SV. Services Viewpoint, SVCV. Standards Viewpoint, STDV. Data and Information Viewpoint, DIV. Working with DoDAF Meta Model, DM2. The DM2 defines architectural data elements and enables the integration and federation of architectural descriptions. It establishes a basis for semantic, that is, understanding, consistency within and across architectural descriptions. Course objectives. Create DoDAF version 2.0 architecture data and viewpoints. Understand DoDAF version 2.0 meta model physical exchange specification. Work with advanced DoDAF 2.0 concepts. Course outline. Architecture development with DoDAF 2.0. DoDAF 2.0 applied. Defining, creating and building DoDAF 2.0 viewpoints, project-based. Creating DoDAF Meta Model Groups support of viewpoints. DoDAF 2.0 Viewpoints building the DoDAF 2.0 viewpoints and specification. Creating viewpoints for specific project. UML and DoDAF 2.0 integration workshop. Applying DoDAF 2.0 and UML to your project. Building DoDAF Meta Model, DM2. Architecture development addressing security in DoDAF 2.0. Call us today at 1-972-665-9786. Learn more about this course audience, objectives, outlines, seminars, pricing, any other information. Visit our website www.tonex.com.